Hi everyone, today's main character is a BMW car. Because the original car radio has very little function, we have upgraded it. This is our new big screen car radio and its wire. First of all, we remove the air conditioning outlet panel. Pay attention to the buckle inside, need appropriate strength. Then unplug all the plugs on the back of the air outlet panel. Remember that the one-click start switch also needs to be unplugged, so your car needs to be completely powered off. Here we loosen the two screws holding the key panel in place. Now let's pull out the key panel. Note there are metal clasps inside. You need to use appropriate force. Then we unplug everything on the back of the key panel. Next, we are going to remove the 4 screws that hold the CD host in place. You just need to unplug the power here, not the other wires. Now we need to remove the 2 screws that set the screen of the original car. Then remove the original car screen and unplug the LVDS on the back. Here we attach the base fitting for the new car radio and fasten it with screws. Next, we'll run the power cable for the new car radio through here. Remember to connect its AUX in and AUX out. Now we are going to insert the matching GPS antenna, the network antenna, into the back of the new car radio. Then the white end of the USB cable and the white end of the power cord are plugged into the back of the new car radio. Note, the USB cable you can run through the storage box will not be demonstrated here. Finally, plug in the LVDS. Here we need to unplug the optical fiber cable from the original car plug and connect it to the power cable plug of the new machine. Then connect one end of the power cord to the original car plug and plug the other end into the back of the CD host. Next, we installed the mainframe and fixed it. Now let's reinsert the key panel wire in place, then snap it up and secure it. Then all the wires of the air outlet are reconnected and installed to the corresponding position to complete the installation. Now let's fire up the engine and test it. You can see it starts up pretty quickly. Let's debug AUX. There is no sound in Android. You can click the mode button of this steering wheel and select AUX. If your steering wheel does not have this button, you can also enter the original car settings AUX mode. In addition, it can also adjust the DSP sound quality according to your car stereo. Now let's see what it's like to watch a video on a big screen car. It supports the original car F10 image, F10 radar. It supports the ECU dashboard, where you can sync your original car data. Of course, you can customize the ECU meter and other features in your settings. It supports Bluetooth, which allows you to make calls. Of course, it also has the most important feature, wireless Carplay Android Auto. You can connect to make phone calls, listen to music, map navigation, and so on. Let's take a look at it. It's the latest version of Android. Let's take a look at it. It's the latest version of Android. There are many other applications that will not be shown until you come to experience. The video is here. Leave a blood you watch.